Alright folks, it's Saturday, August the 1st, and I'm here at Twila Reid Park. Let's see what we can find. Looks pretty active with just regular families having picnics. Then almost every spot is taken. I'm gonna try to find a spot to post up. Wait, there we go. Yeah, I'm gonna try to find a spot to just post up. Yeah, all I see is a bunch of singular picnics. I did see some tweakers, but they were just hanging out under a tree. And man, I forgot to record it. That gazebo thing or whatever it is, it had like regular families hanging out in there. It's usually taken over by like tweakers. Man, get a load of this. They fenced off the baseball field. Man, look at this. The entire baseball field's fenced off. So you gotta walk all the way around it. Wonder if they're maintaining it or what. Yeah, look over there, there's the main part of the park. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna circle back around. I'm gonna check the front of the park. Yep, there it is, see? Fenced up all around. Then man, I can remember back in the day when this fence didn't exist, and you could just walk through the school to get to the park. Yeah, all the, there's people evenly distributed. Oh, there's one of the police cameras. You see that right there? And there's that church across the street. See, if you look right there, there's the main action. So see, there's probably too many families in the gazebo thing or whatever the heck you want to call it over there. So they moved over to the front of the park. Then right here is one of the two bridges. So I think there's two. Yeah, there's about two. Yeah, look, there's nobody there. people playing pickleball. I'm not going to ride this bridge because it will shake. It'll shake your brain. Look right here. This house is being tented. Yeah, see, most of these people aren't tweakers. They're just regular people. It's, you know, Saturday. I don't think anybody's playing frisbee golf. There it is. Okay, yeah. Yeah, see, there's plenty of people hanging out there. Having a picnic. And man, the way the sun is angled, this tree barely has any shade. Look at that. That's why nobody's in this spot. Okay, all that's left is to go down Beach Boulevard, see what we can find there in the daytime. I think he was talking to his dogs.